Hi everyone, this is a quick demo on how the site access management system works. This system is used to do a spot survey on contractors or employees entering your facility or moving around your facility. So there's two interfaces. The one on the left hand side that you can see here is the administration, which you'll use on a desktop or a laptop computer. And then on the mobile device, could be a smartphone, could be a scanner. You'll have this interface where the user that's basically stationed at the gate or the entrance or whatever will be using the device there. So we log into the administration side first, and you'll see we've got a few options here. The one is you can manage branches, so you can set up multiple branches for your company. You'll see at the moment here, if we look at this list, for example, we've got two branches set up for this company, Pretoria and Strategico. Over here you can see the users that are tied to this specific branch, and you can see that the user gate 1 is linked to Pretoria, and this is the user that we'll be using on this side on the app to do the processing with. So over here you can manage your users, so you can add and remove users here. That is also linked to your branches. Now the important part here is your employees. So if we go into this option, what you'll see is currently we've got two users here. We can set up a new user manually by typing in the ID number. It could be the real ID number or an ID number that you want to use, and also your employee ID number, the full name, which branch they are linked to, and then you can upload a photo as well and create that employee. Or you can, if we go back to the admin, you can also import employees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these that I have, delete that one, delete that one. So at the moment we've got no users in either of our branches. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to import, and you can download the template over here for the master file. I'm also going to click this. This says delete all current employees. So I want to do a clean take on. So we know there's no employee at the moment, but you can, if you had employees in your system, you want to do a clean take on of all your employees, you'll use that. And then basically just choose the file, the Excel file with your data in. So I'm going to use that one. That's the same template as what you can download over here. You click on view data, and the system will show you the data that's in that file. So you can see we've got the two employees here again with the ID numbers and the employee IDs and names. And then you just click on upload data. It confirms that everything was uploaded. And now if we go back to our employee admin over there, you'll see that those employees are in our system. Okay, so going back to the main page over here, at the moment we've got no people in our facility. We'll change that now. If we log into the app, we log in with the user gate 1. That user we've seen is linked to the branch Pretoria. So what you'll see as at the gate is you can scan a person in or scan a person out. The scan in can also be used just to process somebody. So you click on that, and the system will ask you to scan the ID card, and you can scan the card, submit, and you'll see it bring up my name, my employee ID, and a picture as well. So this is the survey. It can be customized. This is specifically for COVID-19. So have you had any contact with someone who has COVID-19 symptoms? I'm just going to say no, and these are just a few sample questions. I'm just going to answer no to all of them. And then the current temperature, so I'll say that's 36.5. And then the breathalyzer test, you can either say pass or fail. So let's say pass. So this person should be allowed onto site, nothing wrong with him. I'm going to submit that, and you'll say survey successfully recorded, person is allowed to enter, continue. And now you can see that you've got one person in your facility. So now the next person I'm going to scan the ID card. So what we'll do is I've got another one here, that's Lindy van Vieren. And it'll show you there, Lindy van Vuren under employee ID, start the survey. So what we'll do is, if any of these questions are yes, the system won't allow the person to enter the site. I'm just going to do it on the, let's say the threshold here for the temperature is set to 37.5. We can change that to what you want. And so everything is good. She's allowed to enter. However, the temperature is too high. So when we submit that, it says the survey is successfully recorded. Person is not allowed to enter. Continue. So you see, there's still just one person on your facility. And on this side, you'll see it gets updated as well. So on our admin page, you can have a live count of how many people are on site at all of your branches. So, and also then if you want to make use of it, you can scan the person out. So scan the ID card, and you scan there, submitted, and now you can see immediately that person is removed from site. So we've got nobody on site. And here you've got the reset branch count. So if you're not using the scan out at the end of each day, you can reset your counters and clean out the site, and then, you know, just so depends on how you want to use it. So that's basically it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.